Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be unboxing McDonald's Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic and Amy puzzle. It seems like there are two puzzles inside of it. Now let's open it. I can't wait to compete with my opponent. So the card shows how the puzzle looks like. Now let's begin the competition. Lol, I jump scared you. Anyways, let's begin the competition now. Who is your favorite hedgehog? Sonic, Tails, or Knuckles? Aw man, my opponent won the challenge. Nevertheless, GG's. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down which one should we unbox next. So see ya, bye!